Yeah, ito tumayo. I love it. Oh my God. Alright guys, I wasn't gonna talk today, but you know what? I just love this e.l.f. Cosmetics. Where's the packaging? Liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is in the shade 24 karat gold. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look, and this is not the same as this one. This green one is a liquid metallic eyeshadow. Look, this one's metallic eyeshadow, and this is liquid glitter eyeshadow. Like, you see in the bottom, but they feel the same. I don't notice a different formula, which is strange. It's named different, supposedly it's different, but they both feel nice. But now that I'm looking, this one looks more shimmery, metallic-y as opposed to this one. But they're both very similar. It's the same. I don't notice any difference. See, it looks the same. Maybe this one's a little bit more metallic. I don't know. But I'm really trying to use these in a creative way. I think I watched a YouTube video of someone that used it different ways, because I don't know how to use these type of eyeshadows, so I'm trying to experiment. And one of the ways she used it is as eyeliner, so that's why I created this. Kind of creative, not really. But I'm sweating because I got anxiety. I know it's going like this fast because I received a text from Parade for me to pick 2 free items, and if you don't do it like that, there's literally nothing left. So it just happened to me once. I didn't get anything. The previous one, the Precious Metals, I only got to get one thing. That was the only thing left, so that's why, well, it made me sweat. That's how. And I took a little bit long. Supposedly it said that one was sold out, the one that I got, but then I clicked to check out and it let me, so I don't know. I hope I get it. Anyway, whew. Now, where was I? I had to stop that for a sec, so I forgot. Oh yeah, they feel exactly the same. They were both very nice. I recommend it. I like them so far. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna finish the look without talking, and maybe do a final review, first impressions of it. I don't know, but yeah. Okay, bye. Hi guys, I'm also gonna try this new e.l.f. product. Well, it's not new, but for me it is. It's a precision liquid eyeliner and it's in the shade black. So it's a pretty skinny liquid eyeliner. I've tried their original little small e.l.f. liner, I forgot what it's called, but it's very great. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna have to try their precision lip liner because I love to draw and I hope this is gonna work for me because I usually use eyeliner pens. It's easier for me to draw, but I'm gonna try this eyeliner pen and see if it works just as great. So this is how the packaging looks. Okay, it's pretty sleek. It feels soft. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. Ooh, it's very skinny and looks nice. Alright, so I'm gonna try and draw pumpkins. I'm trying to do a cute fall look because I'm not doing any fall looks and it's already mid-October. So I'm gonna try and draw some little pumpkins and see how it works. Okay, if I mess it up, I'm probably gonna have to use it as a regular eyeliner. I don't freaking know. I'm just winging it. Okay, let me start here. Okay, I draw another one here. Another one. Okay, alright, so far it works. It's easy for me to draw with this. Okay, I was expecting it to be more hard because liquid tends to be more liquidy and it's hard for you to draw, but this one's perfect. Wow, I'm surprised. Honestly, this is great. Wow, okay. So you can see the tiny little details, the little stalk from the pumpkin. I could draw everything. So now I'm gonna try and draw like the lines inside the pumpkin and see if it still works as great. So oops, I messed up. Alright, I messed up then the last two, but they look really great. Okay, so it's skinny enough to draw. So oof, I'm glad I got this. This is very nice, and this I got it from their 60% off Beauty Squad sale. If you sign up for Beauty Squad, you get 60% off their products, but if not, you get 30% off for regular customers. So yeah, I don't know if they're still on sale, but most of their stuff on their website is on sale, so y'all should get it. I recommend it. And obviously these, both of these, what else? Their bite-sized palettes, everything from them are a hit. Everything I love, right? So yeah, I better get it because it's affordable, it's cruelty free, I think, and it's cheap. They always have sales. So if you're trying to be a content creator or makeup artist, you can like stack up on their products and you have a freaking makeup kit already. Alright, so that's it. I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. So yeah, so first impressions, I rated 5 out of 5 stars. I recommend this. Okay. I'm also gonna try out their Latina Cosmetics 21 rhinestones. There's the number 21. So obviously I'm gonna use the green ones for it to look more followy. I don't know, like it's blues, greens. These are the only colorful rhinestones she has. So of course I had to get it. These are my top 2 favorite colors. So anyways, and red and yellow, mints, all that. So rainbow to be exact. Actually, it's very hard for me to pick just one color, but anyways, so I don't know, I think I'm just gonna use all of the green ones. Okay. looking blingy. Alright. There's a lot of rhinestones. I don't usually wear it that much in one look, but I'm excited for it. It makes it so cool. The look, like, complete, like, fashionable, very, like, a statement look, very Instagram, and very wow. So now I see why everyone on Instagram uses rhinestones, because it does pull the whole look together. Wow. It's just amazing. Okay, so obviously I'm gonna use a white shimmer pigment for it to make it pop a little bit more. So I think I found few Instagram boutiques that could maybe sell it. It's not the same texture formula, but it's like a pigment pressed highlighter. Maybe I could use that, but that's why I didn't buy it, because it doesn't look like this exact formula. So if y'all know of a powder white loose pigment, let me know, because I'm trying to buy one so I can incorporate it more in all my looks. So, and like I said, I had a backup, but I don't know where it's at. I got lost. So I'm using this. All these years I've been using this tiny white one, and that's why I used just a tiny amount. But anyways, I'm gonna use it right now. But I used this primer. Okay, now I'm gonna use the BB cream